Tired of project updates that feel like deciphering ancient hieroglyphs? Let's explore how Basecamp transforms the client experience, making project collaboration crystal clear. Starting with the overview, forget endless email chains and scattered documents. Basecamp provides a single, central hub for everything related to your project. Communication becomes a breeze with dedicated message boards, ensuring discussions stay organized and relevant to specific topics, preventing important information from getting lost in the shuffle. See the message board in action. With a simple comment thread, track progress effortlessly with to-do lists that show exactly what's being worked on, who's responsible, and when it's due. Tasks are clearly assigned, allowing for accountability. Stay informed about crucial milestones and deadlines with the integrated schedule, ensuring everyone is on the same page and preventing last-minute surprises. It is a single source of truth for time-related activities. Access all essential documents and files in one convenient location, eliminating the frustration of searching through multiple platforms. Find the right document fast. With simple organization, Basecamp empowers you to be an active participant in the development process, leading to increased transparency, smoother collaboration, and ultimately, project success that leaves everyone smiling. Ready to experience the difference? Check out Basecamp and transform your project collaborations today.